another out shooting, hey? Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Steinbach Centennial Arena in Steinbach, Manitoba for the third period action between the Eastman Blizzard and the Pembina Valley Central Flyers. The Blizzard up by 1 goal, 3-2 at the end of the second period, and we're going to start this way. Here's the Flyers pressing in deep. And you remember there, after the start of the second period, after this freezing, there's often a few water pools left on the ice that causes some pretty random puck stoppages that we definitely got to watch out for. Face off in the Blizzard zone here. Bradley Wolf with the puck. Yeah, there's that frozen, not frozen ice, I should say. Just trying to. Flyers in deep, quick shot, blocker. Looked like a blocker save. I think it sounded like it. Hard to tell exactly. Zielinski playing this behind the net. Over to Kasdorf. Kasdorf up to Bradley. Bradley missed the puck. Flyers picks this up. Quick shot in. Open net. Shuttled away by Zielinski. And this puck is out. Puck back in. Blizzard players lost his stick there. Vanendrish has got a stick back. Oh my goodness, he tried to play that with his feet. That was almost Stott into the Flyer zone. Puck over to the side of the net. Just missed the bounce pass there from Stott. Stott hanging onto it, plays it back to Fraze. Fraze in deep off of Stott's leg. Bounces back to himself. Fraze looking for someone to pass to. Vanendrish was just outside the blue line at that point there. Chabot puts it across the net. Chabot going around the net looking to pick up this pass. Puts on some pressure. Puck to the side. Vanendrish on the blue line looking to pay this up. Fraze racing behind the net to hang on to this puck, and Boulet's going to whistle this one down or freeze it down beside his net. Okay. Face off again in the Blizzard zone here. Gunther's going to take the draw for the Blizzard. Gunther over to Zuev. Up to Heidi. Heidi's across into the zone there. Bit of a stick in the mask, no call. Puck into the corner, battling there, Heidi and Laramie. Laramie's going to come up with this. Looking to make the pass. Turns it around. Back up to Thiessen. Thiessen keeps it in, plays it back to the corner. Gunther plays it around the boards. Heidi's going to have to rush to get there. Zuev's going to cut this off. Zuev shuttles it nicely to the corner. Makes a move. He's got Gunther in front of the net. Zuev coming around the net. Looking for Gunther. Zuev still hanging on. Zuev plays it back behind the net. It's a nice, steady play there with Zuev. And Bradley has come onto the ice now. Heidi's going to look to change. So Blizzard try to cycle off one forward at a time. Gunther and Bradley fighting for the puck. Thiessen watching them at the blue line. And the Flyers come up with the puck going behind their own net. Played across up to the point there. Puck just chipped out. Thiessen's got this one. Thiessen, quick little move to Zuev. Zuev at the turn to Wolf. Wolf not quite able to get his stick on it. Puck in behind. Thiessen's going to pick this up. On the Blizzard net. Backhanded pass to Zuev. Played a little bit further over to Bradley. And the Flyer player pinching there was able to keep that one in. Thiessen's going to rush for this puck. He's got to hustle. Flyers still controlling it. Ralph Bradley's skate. McKenzie on now. Thiessen back again with the puck. This corner. There's no winger there. He's going to carry. Dodge the hit. Lost the puck. McKenzie shoots this one around. Up to the line to Bradley. Bradley not able to quite get there. Oh, puck in. Thiessen's playing this. Look at it on his knees, the Flyers player. Still trying to stick handle. It's loose. McKenzie's got a stick on it. Wasn't able to get it out. He's got it out now. Back into the Blizzard zone. The Blizzard really need to get this out. Thiessen off the glass. Crazy bounce right to center. Chabot gets a stick on it. Chabot with Stott. Not able to hang on. Oh, Chabot and Stott could have made something. Misselbacher over to Stott. Stott playing the man. Kasdorf, I believe, keeping this in. Stott taking a hit. Misselbacher still working the puck. He's got it passed across to Chabot. Chabot gets a stick on it. It was a great deflection in front of the net. A nice play from that line. And the Flyers goalie able to make a great save. Zielinski plays this puck back into the corner to Chabot. Chabot loses it. Misselbacher puts it back into the corner. Chabot with the puck. Looking for Misselbacher. Just bounced off of his stick. Stott plays it back over to Chabot. Chabot dodges the hit. Misselbacher in after the puck there. Cuts him off. Stott's got the puck. He's looking for the pass. Chipped over to Misselbacher. Misselbacher had a nice little play there. And just hit his Chabot again. Chabot chipped off of the Flyers. Some good possession there from the Blizzard team. The Blizzard looking to make a change here. The score is still 3-2 for the Blizzard. There's 14 minutes left in the third period. So we talked about in the beginning of the game there in the first period. This is the third game of the three-game stand between these two teams. Both teams having picked up a win against each other. The Flyers having won most recently in Winkler. I think back in December. It's a 2-1 win for the Flyers. And now the Blizzard up 3-2 in the third. Looking to win this series 2-1. Heidi not able to get it out, but Gunther's picked up the puck. He's going to make a move. He's got McKenzie with him. Loses the puck. Gunther's offside. No, Laramie's there. They're going to dump this in. Wolf is in after the puck. Wolf cycling around the net, and the Flyers are breaking out. Oh, missed pass off of the skate. Right to the Blizzard defenders. Zuev to Thiessen. Thiessen cheaps it up to Wolf. Wasn't able to quite handle that. Back into Thiessen. Thiessen knocks us out of midair. Chips it out again. This one's into the Flyers zone. Flyers pass it across the other D. Chipped it out past Zuev. Thiessen's going to carry this puck. Back to play it. Looking to play it out. Goes it through the Flyers to Wolf. Wolf makes a move. Still got it. Wolf's in. Still carrying. Two men there. Zuev. Oh, McKenzie tried to one-time this from the side of the net. Oh, that's a bit of a knee-on-knee. McKenzie not getting the call there. Thiessen missing the puck. Dropping his stick. We've got a 3-on-1. Zuev cuts off the pass. Forces a pretty flimsy shot from the Flyers player, and Boulay makes no mistake with that puck. And brings that one in. Keeping a face-off to the left of Boulay. 3-2 for the Blizzard. 13 minutes to go. Stott's got this puck at the blue line. Tries to chip it past the defender. Not able to get it out. Cole's going to carry this one just over the line there. Chabot puts it in a little deeper. Chabot up to Misselbacher. Misselbacher still stick handling. Wasn't able to. Needed one more step. Stott was open, but Zielinski back in his zone there. Plays it up to Chabot. Chabot's got Stott moving. Stott's going up the middle with the puck. Stott gets it in deep. Chases it down. Cole carrying. Just came off his stick. I don't know if he expected he's actually going to get that puck. Pinched in from Zielinski. Missed it at the line there. Jace. Kasdorf back to play the puck. Zielinski with a great back check effort. To the point though. Big deflection picked up by Zielinski, and that would have been dangerous too. Another point shot to the pass, to the point. Puck in behind the Blizzard goaltender. It was a man in front all alone. Flyers hanging onto the puck, chipped it to the point. Watched by Misselbacher. Stott picks this puck up. He's going to get it out. Misselbacher's going to chip this late in deep, and the Blizzard are going to get a full line change here. Blizzard coming in full strength. 12 minutes to go in the third period. 3-2 for the Blizzard. Very tight game. Last we checked, the Flyers are actually ahead in shots. But last time I checked for shots, I missed the goal, so I'm not looking that way anymore. Heidi making a move at the line there. It's a bit of a hit back to they tried for the pass to the point. Love to see that. Love to see that a little bit more. Here come the Flyers. Vanendrish is there. Well done. Plays the puck. Oh, and they're across. Oh, my goodness. Great play in front of the net. It's still there. Still in front. It's behind the skates. The Flyers player missed an absolutely empty net. Another great shot from the point deflection. The Blizzard got away with one there. That was absolutely insane. It was wide open. Drew. Heidi having a chance to push us in. Not able to get there. Flyers dump this in. For the change. Nope. And up to the point. No one's going. And they're going to let them take a shot from the point. You know, that kind of thing can't happen. They cannot just let the point men have all the time in the world to shoot that puck. Someone's got to get to that point and get on that man and put some pressure on. The Blizzard dodging the bullet on that shift. That was tight. That was scary. Thiessen running out of ice and just dishing the puck away. Wolf picking this up though at center ice. Chips it in deep. He's going to chase it down. 11 minutes to go. Puck chipped out. McKenzie turned this around. Wolf still there. He's got an opportunity. Side of the net shot. Bradley plays this deep. Back behind the net. McKenzie looking to play to him. Puck's coming out. Flyers are consistently getting behind the defenseman here. Defense really got to watch themselves. McKenzie carrying the puck up the side there. Thiessen just chips it up to the boards and easily picked off by the Flyers player. Puck played around to Chabot. Cross ice pass intended for Misselbacher. Wasn't able to get there. And that'll be an icing call. So the puck's going to come all the way back into the Blizzard end. 10 minutes to go. There's only been one penalty in this entire game so far, and it was against the Blizzard. No goal on that penalty. But not a lot of hitting this game either, actually. Very few hits being leveled by either team. Cole, Misselbacher having a chance with the puck. They're not able to hang on. The Flyers circling back. Shot blocked. Formated to the net. Picking it up behind the net for the Flyers. We've got Misselbacher in there with Zielinski. Kasdorf's going to come around and pick up the puck. He's got Stott and Chabot with him. Stott not able to handle that pass. It was up his tough one to play there. Misselbacher again up to Stott. Stott over to Chabot. Chabot's going to chip this in deep. And we're going to get a line change here. Gunther whacks away at this. Over to Vanendrish. Vanendrish looking for the pass. D to D over to Fraze. Fraze tries to play this up. Hits the Flyers player. Flyers coming back in here. Goes to their point man. Played back into the side. Looking for the cross ice. Gunther's got, Drew. Heidi's got this up to Chabot. Laramie, sorry. Laramie chips this on net. The Flyers controlling the last few minutes of play here. The Blizzard are not looking as confident as they had in the first two periods. Heidi with the puck in behind his own net, plays it over to Fraze. Fraze tries to get this up to Laramie. Laramie comes up with it, chips it wide. He's going to chase this down. He's got some room. Another wide shot. The Blizzard get a change. Bradley just missed that pass there over to Zuev. Zuev all alone looking for the pass. Bradley lifts the stick, comes up with the puck, turns, fires this to the blue line. Not able to get any further. The Flyers players carrying this in. Flyers to the slot, carried him behind their net. McKenzie's going to carry this. Flyers controlling the puck in the neutral ice again. Back in their zone. It's, oh my goodness, that was a bit of a turn there. Put him in behind, but looks like the Flyers managed to keep this one in. Thiessen cycling. Puck put out to the blue line, the Flyers' blue line. Back behind the Blizzard net. Turned all the way around to Bradley. Couldn't get a stick there. Zuev's got the puck. Not able to get it out either. Guys are looking tired, or there's some tripping going on behind the play that I'm not seeing. Thiessen's got some time here. He's got to make a good pass. He does get it out. It goes all the way down. It's not going to be icing. Stott's in. Plays the body. Kind of being held there. No call. Misselbacher comes up with the puck. Misselbacher's got some room. Tries to backhand to the top of the net. Just misses the top. Misselbacher comes up with it again. Makes a move to the side, to the front. Turn. Just lost the puck. A little bit of chippiness happening here. I saw the one Flyers player there hanging onto Misselbacher's stick. Misselbacher taking exception to that. But no calls. There again, the Blizzard just letting that puck go and letting the Flyers player come up with it. Stott over to Heidi. Heidi's in. Tries to make a little move. Gets into the corner for Stott. Stott looking for someone. Chips it up to the point, but that was being watched. Misselbacher comes with the puck. Can he shoot it? Quick little move. No rebound given up by this goaltender. Still a 3-2 for the Blizzard. 5 minutes and 32 seconds remaining in the third period. You know, how does this work? If I make a comment here, does this record this? 3-2. Blizzard in the third. Blizzard. 5 minutes left. Let's see if this puts a placeholder in there. Sometimes it's hard to find when you want to watch video later. Seems to me that the clock didn't start there. I could have sworn I said there was 5:32 left there, and it is 5:31 left. The clock guys are giving the Flyers a little extra time here. Clock started this time. Fraze off the Flyers player. Gunther plays it up to the blue line and kept in again. Blizzard really not breaking out of their zone. Miguel off the glass and out through the Flyers' feet. I don't think that's ice. Yeah, she's got her arm up, but it's on net, so it's not icing. Heidi watching this puck. Heidi coming up with it. Trying to turn it around. 5 minutes remaining. 3-2 for the Blizzard. Blizzard looking tired. Thiessen's got the puck. He's going to move with it. Puck up to Wolf. Wolf and Thiessen. Thiessen keeps it in, but couldn't hang on to the puck. Ah! I'm angry. Thiessen back on the line. Wolf kicked it up to his foot. Not able to hang on to that. There's a little bit of excitement happening here. Flyers looking to break in here. Flyers are in. One man deep. Still got the puck. Makes a nice little move. Quick shot over Boulet's head. Missed the net. Thiessen up to the line. Off the Flyers player and out. 4:14 left in the third period. Flyers breaking. Kasdorf picks us up in the neutral zone, plays it back into the Flyers zone. The Blizzard here needing the insurance goal. I think at this point, expect to see the Flyers pull their goaltender. Well, 2 minutes left, I would think. Maybe sooner. It depends. Zielinski coming back to play this puck. Being watched quickly up to Chabot. Chabot's got a man on him. Chabot let that puck through and it's out. Chabot chasing up with the puck. That didn't. And that's an offside for the Flyers. 3 goals for the Blizzard, 2 goals for the Pembina Central Flyers. I really don't like that name, Pembina Central Flyers. Why is that so complicated? Why are they gonna have so many words in there? But I guess that's no worse than us, the Eastman South Blizzard. I mean, how many other Eastman Blizzard are there? Why isn't it just the Eastman Blizzard? Surely we can finish. It's not like the Misselbacher had Chabot on the side. The pass was nicely picked off there by the Flyers player. Misselbacher's got this again. He's still got it. Turned around, looking for Chabot. Tries to get it in front, not able to. Pass up to the point. And here we've got a one-on-one. Van den Drish, he's got the man wide. Pass to the front, tied up by Fraze. Stott over to Misselbacher. Misselbacher, pass to Chabot. Chabot's going to put this deepish. 2:55 left in the third. 3-2 for the Blizzard. 3-2. Laramie's on. That kid puts on pressure. I love it. Just a battler. Look at him go. Thiessen on the line. Keeps it in. We're going to keep this deep. Don't give the Flyers team a chance to pull their goaltender. And definitely don't take a penalty now. Laramie still battling to keep the puck there. Tied up with the captain of the Flyers team here. Heidi's with him. 2:22 left. Zuev keeps the puck in deep. Laramie's going to try to shift off quickly. Here comes Bradley. Flyers are trying to break out, and they do. Oh, Thiessen looking for the hit. Just missed him, and the guy tripped over his leg. No call again. I think some of those are trippings. Puck made it to the point. Bradley's got to get there. 1:50 left in the third period. Flyers preparing to signal their goalie. Flyers controlling it in the Blizzard end. Long shot. And they're wondering if they should pull him. They're not going to pull him yet. Goaltender from the Flyers is looking. I'm surprised with the face-off deep in the Blizzard zone that they're not pulling on the extra attacker. I think they can still do it. 1:45. And there goes the clock. Guys can be a little quicker on the clock. Shot blocked in front. Puck was loose to the side. Wolf battling for that puck. Zielinski, Kasdorf. Kasdorf's got it behind the net. Plays it over to Bradley. Bradley gets a stick on it. Misses the man. Puck to the line. Shot across. Goaltender still in the net. 1:28 left to go in the third period. 3-2 for the Blizzard. 1 goal game. 1:20 left. Puck deep in the Blizzard end. Flyers play this up to the point. He's got a shot. Bouncing puck in behind the net there. Shot at the side. Rebound. Kept in again. Kept in, but kept in. Bradley's got this to the line. He's going to chip this in. He didn't get it all the way down. There. 1 minute left in the third period. 3-2 for the Blizzard. The Blizzard now in the Flyers zone. They can keep this in here. So it'd be nice to get that insurance goal chipped in behind the net there. Wolf's going to watch this one. Almost came up with it. Stott looking to play the puck. Flyers trying to break out of their own net. It's stuck in his own feet. They kind of lost it. Puck played him back behind the net. Van den Drish has got to hustle there to keep this in. Van den Drish keeps it in. Puck played in deep to Stott. 27 seconds left. Chabot and Stott. Chabot behind the net. Chabot trying to get a hold of this puck. Flyers trying to get out of the zone. Van den Drish to Chabot. Chabot chips this in deep. 12 seconds left. And I'm guessing the Flyers have no intention of pulling their goaltender. Okay. 3 seconds to go, and that looks like this is going to be the game. So the Blizzard have taken the game 3-2. and have won the 3-game stand against the Central Flyers. 2-1. The Blizzard retain their top spot in the league and pull away from the Flyers by 2 more points. The Flyers in second place. What a win. What a win for the Blizzard.